this career path, you're not just an electrical technician, you're not just a fabricator, you're like working on cool stuff all the time. I did my specialist in maths methods in high school, which was good. The back end of my high school, I kind of felt like I joined the wrong path. I didn't think I was quite ready for university, so I jumped across into a few different roles, gaining experience, but then this course came up and I was like, Defence Industry Pathways program, that looks like something I'd be interested in. I was like, sweet, let's jump in there. And now it's like, no, I'm putting my all into this because, you know, I'm ready to be here. And not gonna struggle for work for, you know, even at least the next 40 years. So using this program, like, to get your foot in the door, you get a chance to network with people you might not have even had a chance to talk to. Like, my resume doesn't look excellent from the stuff I've done before, but like, this gives me a chance to show people what I can do that are in the industry. So diverse, like you get to try so many different things out, and like everyone's got an absolute wealth of knowledge as well. It's been great down here amongst all the technicians. Like, they're all super happy to help me out, and like, because I'm showing that I'm really keen to learn, like I get to try a bunch of different stuff, and it's awesome. An opportunity like this doesn't just fall into your lap every day. Like, if you can jump out of high school and jump into a course like this one, that's awesome. Like, you get the chance to try stuff out and get paid while you do it. It's the same as any other industry, except you get to work on cool stuff all the time.